Okay, it's Jim. Just say again really loudly what happened.
Yeah, like I said, this is Mr. Burgher. I need you guys to get on YouTube, check out my new Art 101 as fast as you can. It's urgent.
Art 101 with Mr. Burgher. Hello neighbors, and welcome back to another episode of Art 101 with me, Mr. Burgher. I'm a professional artist and educator attempting to bring you the best in art historical content.
Good, now we're having fun.
Now, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I appreciate any likes, shares, subscribes, comments, or any interactions that you have with these videos.
They communicate on the highest form, which is the 39th level.
Now, as a professional artist, I prefer to spend my time drawing. I use ink and colored pencil primarily in my works, but I've had a very extensive history with interacting with photography. And in my interactions with photography, you diversify and you learn the tricks of the trade. And in art, you're not always a one-trick pony. One thing isn't always the influence. And that is true with artistic influences in general. One of the artistic influences that really influenced my life is Degas, but also Mr. Rogers.
We in trouble now.
I don't know if you're like this, but going back into my youth, there are things that are mentally tied together that have no connection or relationship. For example, Beethoven and Picasso, in my brain, they're like developed at the same time, and so they're connected. Orange and yellow in my brain are super connected together. And Mr. Rogers is somehow connected with Edgar Degas. Go figure. That's weird.
We're all alone again today. You know why? My wife walked out on me.
Do you like to draw with crayons? I do. But I'm not very good at it. But it doesn't matter, it's just the fun of doing it that's important. That's the way I usually draw a house. And a tree.
What do you mean?
It's interesting. The millennials and Generation Z kids are looked down upon by older generations because they're these entitled kids that believe they can do anything and have no boundaries for what they can and can't do. Yet, starting in 1968, Mr. Rogers was trying to teach kids the very same thing, to have the self-esteem that they can do anything. And it finally catches on and people hate it. But I love Mr. Rogers. Much respect to Mr. Rogers.
Stop all that happiness out there! Do you hear? Stop it!
Man, I love that story. Thanks for watching. See you next time.